G'day! In today's video I'm having a look at the SilverStone Fara R1. This particular one was a relatively cheap price. I do like the mesh on the front, so we've got a mesh grill on the front which is good for airflow. It also came pre-installed with 4 ARGB fans, so they are controllable, which is connected up over here. We'll look at that in a little bit. Right now I've just assembled a new machine in here. We've got a snowman cooler on here, twin white fan. And they are getting a bit of a reflective glow off the RGB that's already in there, so that's alright. Got a 3060, a B550 DS3H AC, so the wireless model. Have a look at the back. The assembly of this was all very straightforward, nothing too fancy. It was essentially being that everything was just put onto the board and then the board put in there. Looking around, we have 2 spots here for 2 2.5 inch hard drives. If we go around the back side, we'll see that we have a spot for another one right here. And then we do also have these extra brackets here, which I'm not too sure. I haven't looked too in to see what these brackets are for. Do see we also have plenty of space at the back here if you do need to replace that back plate. And just quite a few spots, various holes to hide stuff. One thing I wish they did was having another spot up here, just so you can put the I/O or the headers in a different spot. Right now I've got them going directly through these holes to get there. I'd rather it just a little bit down, as I do find coming up from here to here to be too visible. Look on the inside, all pretty much what it is. I have just thrown in just an RGB strip, which right now is just a bit out of sync with everything else. There we go, just slightly loose. It's now cycling colours as well. Overall assembly, very straightforward, decent airflow. Now we'll put the sides back on and keep having a look. So looking at it with the side on, glass itself is glass. Considering it's a relatively cheap cased purchase, it's overall pretty darn good value for money. Considering you're getting 4 RGB fans and a relatively decent case for, I think this was around about 120 Australian dollars. So granted, there's really not much that sets it apart from many other cases, but I do like the airflow, and definitely the airflow, as opposed to other cases that have tempered glass all along the front here, and then a small little gap here. As I said, I do notice a slight little dint on the case, just there. Then we have 3 USB ports at the front, headphone jack. So overall, decent value for money, a good budget case if you want something with a bit of RGB, and is also not too expensive to break your budget. Overall build in there was pretty straightforward, so hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.